All right, on this video in the garage, we're gonna go ahead and do what I like to call deglaze the brake rotors on my brother's 2009 Street Glide. Street Glide? Yeah, Street Glide. All right, first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna clean up these screws. We're gonna reuse these screws. I don't, not really sure if Harley tells you to replace these when you take the rotors off. You'd have to look it up if you really, if you care about that. He doesn't have a whole lot of money. A lot of you out there can relate. So we're gonna reuse these screws, clean them off, make them look good. This rotor is gonna be cleaned up. I'm gonna do what they call deglaze the rotor. I'm gonna use my mini die grinder, all right, with a coarse pad on it. And we're gonna, kind of like sanding the rotor all the way around the edge where the brake pad actually hits the rotor. All right, we're gonna sand that all down and take off what looks like a mirror finish here. So we're gonna clean that all up, both sides. If you don't have an air compressor or a mini grinder of some sort, even those things that go on the drill, with some sandpaper, that'll work too. You can also do this by hand with sandpaper, with some brake clean, or a grease scratch pack. Obviously it's not gonna be as effective as a die grinder, or what do you call that? Sandpaper thingy. I don't know, you know what I'm talking about, on the drill. What's the name of that thing? Anyway, I think you all get it, Obviously it's not gonna be as effective as that, but it'll still get the job done. All right, the bolts, I'm just gonna turn this bad boy on, and we're just gonna clean them off. There you go. That's as clean as it's gonna get. But it looks good. A lot better than this. All right, I'm gonna finish the rest of these, I'll be back. Now I'm gonna do the rotor. All right, I'm gonna deglaze the rotor. And there's the rotor's done. Ready to go on the bike. Look like brand new rotors. It'll actually help you get better braking. It'll help the pads break into the rotors nicely. Because you got some cross scratches here, cross hatches, whatever you want to call it. And that'll help the pad wear in a little bit quicker, faster, and the braking will be a lot better. All right, everybody, that's all I have for today. I don't have anything else to add. I'm gonna go in, take a shower. It's already dark out, and I'm thinking I forgot to do something today. I think the wife told me to do something. I can't remember what it was, and I got a feeling I'm gonna get yelled at. But anyway, take care, everybody. Questions, comments, you know what to do. Put it down below, and please support the channel by sharing, liking, subscribing. Thank you very much. Bye bye.